Tush me go scoilú nuair a liciaat an sé acamsa. Se seo an tean scáilachta. Agus sé seo an scáilúracham.
Hello, what's your name? I'm Ailey.
Can you tuk sin fach go Gaelic?
Can you understand me? I'm Lara.
Just leave her alone. There's no point.
Can you físach am dé has you grant and fetch of Gaelic a brian?
Be quiet, you witch!
Can you me a tuk sin? Sé nírin han. Can you me a tuk sin?
Hi, I'm Lizzie. Who are you?
I told you she doesn't understand English. Come on, Lizzie, we'll go.
Witch! 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 Witch!
Well, Fescin ma, good afternoon. I'm at Dulhart Gaif, piece and paper. Agus an a question of ord. I'm giving you these bits of paper now, and the questions are on the table.
Ha Gaelic acav.
Ha? Agus a good joke. Cos a how?
Ha mi erstan an scianach.
As an yon skianach gajada. Kun you close an a skull shop?
Da blarash.
Da warash. Chraks a hannig. Agus dim an high corderut.
Oh well, hi. Parstin you kerst giar.
Parstin you kerst ach well. Wel, on ha Gaelic om ma heid film me op dat er jalistje hard gut. Vind ik me dat. Vind de show hier geen.
Witch. Witch. Witch.
Witch!
Jay ha kiar. How a quite branach.
Is Misha Marshall? Is this a Christiana? Look to.
Smee.
Jay how a Gianna.
Ha mi a gich ma yinir.
Hannah. My name.
Well, can I go Cali anu? Agus kujach kim na ha a tuk sin.
Surin. Surin good savage.
Ach,
How make I can do, okay?
ha, is na gin of care.
Todd cake?
Chatalach.
Look, it's the witch!
She's talking to a cake. She's talking to a cake.
My name is Christina, and I am not a witch. Ansha. Agus sé sin an lá scoile sear a bhac an rian. Throw it, Marceline.